So I'm just on Columbia Road, which is famous for all the flowers, and all this commotion you see. So it's some kind of festival which is once a year, and it's called Day of the Dead. So it's a Mexican thing apparently. Obviously Halloween was yesterday.
I didn't do it last night. I had a bad tummy. Yeah, there was a combination of too many things.
So this street, really, as I said, it's full of little flowers and just little candle shops, and it's quite bizarre how there's some Day of the Dead festival in probably, well, this is the nicest part of Bethnal Green. It's a flower shop.